What's going on, guys? Matt over at Easy Auto Spa, and I'm yet again at our new Athens location, and we are like 2 weeks away from our grand opening. We're already scheduling jobs to be dropped off at this location, so we're really excited. We're buttoning up a lot of things. We're about 95% done with almost everything in the shop, which is super exciting and also really frustrating because we're ready to be done. But I wanted to show you what we've got as far as some of the lighting and the flooring and some of the decisions we've made, and just kind of update you on what we've got going on. We're excited to have this open. We're excited to have new clients in here, and excited to let you guys see it. So let's go check it out. All right, so first things first, as you walk into our waiting room, you're gonna see a few things different. We've got lights on the ceilings, we've got flooring down. So we decided to go with an epoxy flooring throughout the entire shop. We did a two-step epoxy in the back of the shop, and it's OSHA grade. It's really good for grip and good for when there's moisture. And we did a three-stage, really high gloss epoxy in all of the front of the shop. This includes the clean room next door, this includes the waiting room, and all of our office and conference room, and even our break room space as well. The reason we like this is it's super easy to clean, it's gonna look incredible, it's gonna be super highly reflective and glossy, and it makes it for incredible shots with our video and with the cameras to be able to capture some of the work we're doing. And it also is when a customer comes in, when they look over and they see a car being worked on, maybe it's their car, it's a really cool thing to be able to see a car under, on the flooring, under what you obviously see as well, our hex lights that we're installing. So. The deal on these hex lights, a lot of you may have seen it. If you're not in the auto industry, you might not have seen them just on some pictures. These are a very, very attractive lighting. It's a really unique way to bring out a lot of color and a lot of angles on a vehicle. We're about 3/4 of the way done wiring it up. So again, that's where we're at 90% with most of the things here. But the hex lights will be wrapped up. Later this week, we'll have those finished up. What it's gonna do is it's gonna make it where when you pull a vehicle in here, it's got a super glossy floor, a dark ceiling with a super bright lighting, and it just makes this incredible, the vehicle's just kind of the spotlight at that point. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to show you guys some of the cars that we're gonna get in. We've actually got some photo shoots lined up already for some cars, so it's really cool. The things we've got to do, we're obviously installing furniture. That's getting delivered this week. We've got some appliances coming in. We've got some wall lights in our actual physical working shop, back in the clean room and in the shop. We've got lights going on all the walls as well, just for better inspection, for actual physical work, and for just to make it where it better lights the shop that we're working in. We've also got our cameras going in. This is a super secure building, and we want the clients to know when they drop off that their vehicle is secure and they feel safe. It allows us to put cameras all throughout the building. Everything, when it comes in the shop, is gonna be on camera the entire time it's here. A lot of clients are buying a brand new vehicle, they're driving it straight from the dealership to our shop, and they've driven it less than an hour and they're handing us the keys. We want them to feel safe. We've got their baby, we're gonna take good care of it. And even when they're in the shop, they're not only seeing what's in the clean room, but they're gonna be cameras that allow them to see where their car is, that sees their vehicle in the back of the shop. We're excited about that as well. We've got a bunch of TVs going on walls, again, furniture going installed. So a lot of little things that are just housekeeping things to go get installed here. We've got in our clean room, we're getting our plotter delivered this week. That's what we cut the film with. So all that to say, we've got a ton of really great things going on, kind of coming down to crunch time. But at this point, honestly, if tomorrow we had a car get dropped off, we could work on it here if we had to. So we're super excited about that, and super excited about getting in the space and just using it. As we walk back into the shop, you can see that it's getting really darn close to being done. We've got our flooring. This is an OSHA grade epoxy. It allows for really good grip on your shoes, even in wet surfaces. So if we bring a vehicle in that's wet, my employees aren't gonna be risking slip and fall on this type of surface. It also makes it super easy to clean because it is an epoxy. So what do we have left to do in here? We've got our lighting on the walls gonna be going up, but before that, we're actually doing some vinyl that's gonna start at the front entrance, and it's gonna tie in the entire shop together. It's a silver and a red. It kind of goes with some of our color scheme. It goes with some of the colors that's in the epoxy. There's silver and red mixed in with the black epoxy. So all of that kind of ties in together. It makes it really, really nice looking. That's gonna get put up, and then again, those lights will go on. And after that, at that point, honestly, I think we've got garage door motors to be installed, and we've got some switches, but that's it. So we're really super excited. We were here earlier with some of my team members. We're trying to figure out how many cars, if we needed for, say, a hailstorm hits Athens and we needed to store vehicles. I think we counted up that we felt like we could store between 40 and 50 vehicles inside the shop at night, not even including our outside parking. That's a whole lot of cars that we can service. Just working on vehicles, we can have in every single one of our departments, be it PPF, ceramic, window tint, or dent repair, we can have 4 to 5 vehicles being worked on at the exact same time without getting in the way of anything else. So from a production standpoint, from a staffing standpoint, and from just a workflow for a shop of our size, we are incredibly excited about what this is gonna allow us to do. Can't wait to get in here, actually start working with it. Again, it's a very busy time, getting a lot of late nights setting up things, and literally when I get off this camera, we're gonna get in there and start putting furniture together and hanging TVs up. So next video, we'll show you what the final shop looks like. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching it. Thanks for checking us out and kind of following us on this journey. If you have any questions, hit us up, comment, let us know. We're happy to help. We're trying to be as open a book as possible. This is an exciting thing. It's a scary thing, but it's super exciting. So if you need anything at all, hit us up.